What's up guys, it's your boy Ty17 Law, back with another video. Today we are exploring in Rosyth, as I posted earlier the other day, properly this time, not just climbing a fucking tree. Today, me and my pal are at this abandoned farmhouse thing, whatever you want to call it, abandoned place. I know this is a bit of a strange one, but I thought, why not, you know, XPL, hashtag Salmon Colby. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Here it is. Right. Just gonna hold that shit like that. Okay, hopefully this is going well. Ah, damn. Oh shit. Damn. Oh yeah, fucker. That's actual man.
So the fact that we were the ones who burned this entire fucking place then.
Damn. Guys, check this shit out. Proper abandoned shit right here. This is next level content you're getting. Oh yeah, fuck.
Broken right there, so steel latch on it.
Damn.
Me and my pal spent fucking a week trying to break this door. And then we went ahead and just burnt this shit down.
Damn. That's crazy. Here's a look at that. Oh, this shit is burnt down.
Yeah, wonder by who.
I know, right? Oh, this shit. All these fucking buttons. Fucking. You kind of explore with Josh.
Who?
Exploring with Josh is a YouTuber guy. Yeah, he does this sort of shit sometimes. Sam Colby in their old days. Yeah. That's him heavily inspired. Oh shit, guys, there's glass everywhere. Yeah. Oh damn. What the fuck? Jesus.
Don't worry, don't stab. It's not pointing upwards.
Yeah.
Just scared the fuck of the sounds.
Okay. So this is a farmhouse, yeah?
Big farm.
Pig farm, that's it.
This is where, this is, I don't know what the fuck this bit is, but that's where the disease pigs were.
Oh, disease pigs, that's fucked. Damn.
Won't look any burnt or even that.
Damn.
Hold the shore.
Yeah.
Hold it still, motherfucker.
Yeah, try to get the camera. We got fucking incense.
Saves from the ghosts.
Yeah.
It's not burning very well though.
Just went out.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's it. That bit's more safer than the last bit.
That bit right there.
Yeah.
That's where my pal through the roof fell. Fucking idiot, he dragged the entire thing down with him on that.
Fuck.
I've fallen for that too when I was trying to get up because cunts were coming to jump us.
Oh, fuck.
And I fell through the fucking roof.
Damn.
See, this shit burns.
Yeah, it's weird. Shit will burn.
Gonna help.
Yeah. Alright. Let's see if it's burning and shit. See that, guys? Shit's kinda. Damn.
There's no char in there, anything else.
Damn.
It's mushroom. Some black glass he just added me on Snapchat.
Oh, fuck.
I know, it's their fucking. I want to try to find something thin enough to burn. This might be fucking giants.
I doubt that shit's gonna burn, is it?
Fucking doubt it. Can't throw when I've got an iron brew in my fucking pocket.
Oh shit, I would have did that. It's burning shit. Oh.
Good for that.
Hmm. Alright.
It looks like we can find a rabbit.
Hmm. Fucking glass will burn at this point. It's fucking sand in a way.
Got all the missing walls and shit that we're not done.
Okay. Yeah, I was just testing it.
I wouldn't trust this building security.
Oh shit.
No, I mean, I wouldn't trust the building to hold itself fucking together.
Shit, so this right now is fucking.
I mean, look at the roof after what we did here.
Oh fuck. Damn. Damn.
I've got a couple of different things I want to burn.
Mm.
This fire's not going to be good, but
It'll be a really good place. The fucking a Ouija board like right here and shit.
This place with at night time is so sketchy. Imagine if we just got a Ouija board here at night.
Mm.
This bit's finished.
Mm. Yeah, it's gonna work.
It's not burning. Transplant.
Okay.
This is burning.
Alright. Yeah.
Can relight it.
Yeah.
It's like a fucking fag.
This shit's fucking amazing. Shit this shit out.
It's on fire, but still. Burn my fucking finger down it.
Hmm.
The burn
It's fuck. You shall be blessed.
For fuck's sake.
I might as well say that if I get Glasses fault. You will be blessed, Glasses fault. Well, we're on
We're
it.
gonna be last. See what? I'm gonna miss my pal so you can come.
I must think I smoke. What the fuck? This shit looks kind of cool. Shit.
Yo. Come take fun. Cause why not? One of my pals from K-Box in Tyler.
Mm. This shit's actually crazy. Oh man,
We're trying to start a fire, but my light is fucking shite and you're actually good at starting fires.
Mm. So this pig farm used to be active
Well, it's burning.
years ago, supposedly. It's abandoned. It is abandoned. It's fucking.
No, actually, I thought I lost pay after I edited it, but it's still holding together.
Yeah. Aye. You're it.
Nah, I'm burning myself.
Shit. Look at this shit, guys.
You coming?
Fuck. Oh fuck, I didn't smash.
Alright, come here.
Bad, bro.
Got a jet there, so we should get a decent fire with that.
Oh. How far is he still, Alex?
Don't put.
Oh.
He's just getting something to the next one.
Alright. Oh, damn. Check this shit out, man. Oh, shit. Might see if I can go on the roof.
I would recommend it, but you get a shot too.
Alright.
I'm just calling them as well. Lucas,
Alright, bet.
come pick up.
Oh, guys.
Oh, after the
this shit. It's a once in a lifetime moment. Once in a lifetime moment. Maybe not, because I can always come here when I want, but not. Oh, okay, there's a spider. Yo, that's fantastic. I'm gonna try get across to there. If I die, you know where I'll be. Damn. Okay.
I'm gonna let shit fire right in the middle, see how big it goes.
Yeah. Oh fuck. Wait, shit, where'd that spider go? Fuck, I don't want no spider on me. Oh, there it is. Right. Okay. What? Oh shit, you done? That gauge you out.
Maybe fucking this is it.
Damn. Yeah. That doesn't look like it's gonna hold for much long. Bro, this is a gaff and a half. Okay, we're on the roof. Guys, we are on the roof. Holy shit. Yeah, okay. Just remembering what bits is actually starting, what bits is not is really difficult. Huh. Oh shit.